Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that on Tuesday, a local gas station had 135 customers. And we're given a table which summarizes whether or not the customers on Tuesday purchased gasoline, a beverage, both, or neither. And based on the data in the table, we're asked what is the possibility that a gas station customer selected at random on that day did not purchase gasoline. So we're looking for the probability that out of all customers on that day, what is the probability that a customer did not purchase gasoline? So the way you do this is you take the number of customers who did not purchase gasoline, which if we look in the graph or in the table, we say, okay, this row is for gasoline not purchased. This is the people who purchased a beverage. These are the people who did not. And then the total number of people who did not purchase gasoline is 50. And then we're taking this out of all customers, and the total for gasoline purchased and the total for beverage purchased comes down to this bottom corner, and we're told that is 135 total customers, which makes sense because we're given that information in the beginning of the question. And if you take the number of customers who did not purchase gasoline and you divide it by the number of total customers, that's going to give you the probability that any customer selected at random on that day did not purchase the gasoline. So 50 over 135 is your final answer. You could simplify this. There's a common factor here, but our final answer, D, doesn't, so just leave it as it is. 50 over 135 is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.